Hey, what's up you guys? In today's video, I'll be going through an in-depth review of the Surfshark VPN. I've mentioned Surfshark in previous videos before and you probably already know it's one of my favorite to use right now, but I've never talked about it in depth or mentioned all of its features before. So this is what we're doing in this video. Let's get right into it. We all want to stay safe from hacker attacks or third-party tracking while enjoying our internet activities. Surfshark is a newbie-friendly VPN that covers all the user's needs while maintaining high-speed connection and providing all the security features. It's also one of the most affordable VPNs out there. In this review, I'll try to tell you all the features of Surfshark and why it might just be the best VPN for you. The first and most important feature of Surfshark for many users is that Surfshark was specifically designed to be newbie-friendly. This means that while Surfshark has all the advanced features covered, they are designed in a way that any user can easily access them and navigate their application. Also, Surfshark has a quick support team that you can reach out to if you ever have an issue. The support team is accessible via live chat on their website at any time of the day. Because of the way Surfshark is designed, it's safe to say that this VPN is the perfect choice for most users who just need their basic VPN features all covered in one user-friendly app. At the moment, Surfshark is available on PC, Mac, iPhone, and Android. And my favorite part about Surfshark is that it lets you connect to an unlimited amount of devices. So all your and your family's devices can be connected at once, meaning there's no need to pay for more than one subscription. One account is more than enough to ensure your privacy and security. VPNs don't only provide a secure internet connection, they also ensure you navigate the internet without ads and tracking. Surfshark has one of the most advanced ad block features that lets you surf websites without being annoyed by constant ads. Another crucial feature when it comes to choosing your VPN is the servers and their speed. And for its price, it's truly impressive how good Surfshark servers and speed maintenance are. Surfshark has over 3,200 servers that are located in over 65 countries, and it gives you multiple servers in each country to choose from. While it might not be as much as other VPNs are offering, it is more than enough to cover all of your needs. Many other VPNs with more servers try to convince you with the quantity of the servers, while Surfshark is focusing on the quality. Their approach is to have fewer servers but to provide a stable and secure connection to all of its users without speed drops or session breaks. So basically, Surfshark is trying to give you the best user experience possible rather than trying to convince you with the amount of their servers. Surfshark also has the fastest server feature, which lets you connect to the fastest server with the click of a button. This is extra useful as the fastest server might not be the one closest to you or even located in your country. So by clicking on the fastest server button, you connect to the fastest server without having to manually do it. Closest country is yet another great feature that is useful for accessing content that is restricted in your country, all the while maintaining a high connection speed. All these one-click features make the use of Surfshark super easy, and it might save some time not only for newbies but also for more advanced users. As for the speed connection, Surfshark manages to keep your internet connection speed stable so you can torrent the content you want or stream your favorite show without any buffering or speed drops. After testing, Surfshark proved to maintain only a 5% speed drop even while connecting to more remote servers, which is completely unnoticeable for most users. So whether you want to download, play games, or stream videos, Surfshark is the right choice to maintain both speed and security. Surfshark also has a specific automatic secure P2P connection feature, and that's just perfect if you want to stay safe while torrenting content. It automatically connects you to a secure P2P connection that prevents anyone from accessing your identity or internet activity while you're torrenting. But let's talk more about the security features that Surfshark provides. If we're getting into the details, it uses AES 256 GCM encryption, which is one of the most secure encryption methods available. To break this encryption, a hacker would need 2 to 256 different combinations, which is virtually impossible as it would take an infinite amount of time. No, seriously, imagine how long our universe has existed. Now imagine that 2,000 times more. That's how long it would take. That should be enough to ensure you the peace of mind while using Surfshark without worrying about being spied on or attacked by malicious third parties. However, encryption alone is not enough. Sometimes we don't want anyone to track our internet activities. That's why Surfshark has a strict no logs policy, which means that they do not see or access your internet activity and cannot show or sell it to anyone like a lot of free VPNs do. So even if someone tried to access their data, they wouldn't have any on you. Another great feature that Surfshark uses is the camouflage mode. In some countries, the use of VPN is banned or even illegal, and a lot of users struggle to keep their information secure. But the camouflage mode makes it impossible for your internet provider to see that you're using a VPN, which adds another layer of protection for your internet activities. Another feature I can't not mention is the kill switch feature, which you don't find as often even in the most expensive VPNs. Kill switch is an extra protection feature that disables your internet connection on a system level if your VPN connection drops without warning. This ensures your sensitive information is always under protection. Many users can find Surfshark's bypasser feature just as useful. Bypasser lets you access the sites or apps you want directly through your internet provider, while the rest of your internet activity goes through VPN servers. Bypasser is useful if you want to access your bank account from your IP, for example, or you want to access websites that are only available in your country. So, in conclusion, Surfshark is a great VPN with a lot of advanced security features that focus on speed and usability. It has a thought-through interface that lets everyone ensure their privacy and security with easy one-click processes. So you don't have to be tech-savvy and a genius to be able to stay safe while surfing the internet. Most importantly, Surfshark is budget-friendly and has all your needs covered in a fraction of the price other VPNs charge. A lot of the top VPNs basically charge more just because they're older and have been around for some time now. Surfshark is a relatively new VPN, so they offer better solutions for cheaper prices to withstand the competitive VPN market. Don't forget to check out the description box down below if you're interested in seeing other videos I've made about Surfshark and other VPNs. If you're interested in purchasing the VPNs, there are also great discount deals and links in my description box. And as always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in future videos.